everyone, welcome to all my YouTube channel. So, how we deal with duplicate elements in SQL? When we are selecting some records from our database, some values are duplicates. Duplicates in the sense some rows are might be some names are duplicate. Suppose Rohit, 5 Rohits are there. Then we need only one Rohit, or we need only one value. Means we don't need duplicate value. So how we'll deal that? We'll deal with distinct operator. So we'll deal with distinct, select distinct, inside distinct, which suppose I want this registration number, which all are unique. So select from this table. Okay, so now we will get all the unique values. Distinct spelling is mistake. D-I-S-T-I, S-T-I-N-C-T. Okay, spelling is mistakes. So okay, we are getting here all the distinct registration numbers, means unique registration numbers. So how we will deal with the database with how with find out duplicates? We use distinct keyword. After that, one more thing, that how you know the table structure. For that you can use describe. Okay, describe your table name. What table you want to know the description, you can execute this query. See, you got this describe date, UPD post, date UPD, and everything, what data types they are used, which primary key, which foreign key, everything you will got to know from here. And you can use describe also, you can use sort desk also. Both will be working. Fine. So now you clear how to deal with duplicate values and how to know the table description. Here also manually we can know the table description. Go to table and open this. Now you will get everything, what and all, and after that click here. Means manually we can go and visit from here. Okay, and command wise you can put here. Okay, so hope everyone clear with this tutorial. If any doubt, please let me know, and please share it as much as possible and comment me below for more improvement. Thank you so much.